Okay, as we look at this NASA Jet Propulsion Laboratory illustration, we see that Elenin will be aligned with the Earth and the Sun on September 24th or 25th. Okay, well, let's compare the size and the density of these different masses. Elenin is 16 times the diameter of the Earth and 100 times more dense. This is a significant source of gravitational pull. As it approaches that alignment, you'll have both the gravity of Elenin and the Sun pulling on the same side of the Earth, causing significant stress on the Earth's crust, causing a tremendous earthquake. And if we look at the Bible, the first sign is there was a great earthquake. And then immediately thereafter, we see the sun became black and the moon became as blood. So the sun's light is blocked out, and then there's a partial blockage of the light to the moon. And so it became red, as you see in most lunar eclipses. Lastly, we see what appears to be a large meteor shower. Now, during the alignment, while the Earth is in the shadow of Elenin, it, of course, will block out all the light. So the earthquake will start, the light will be blocked out during the earthquake, during that alignment, and will continue for some time, while the moon is partially obscured. And we look back, and it shows, okay, first there's an earthquake, then the sun's light's blocked out, the moon becomes red, and then lastly we see what appears to be stars falling from the heavens, which would represent a meteor shower. And so there it is, Revelations 6:12. So here we have the tribulation period coming very quickly. So on September 26th, we see an earthquake, then darkness, and afterwards a meteor shower. And shortly thereafter, the presence of such a strong gravitational force, I believe, will cause the sun to emit a solar flare towards the Earth, since Elenin will be following closely to our side. And in the Bible it says, a third part of the trees was burnt up, and all the green grass was burnt up. And then on October 15th, Elenin will be at its closest point to the Earth of only 0.232 AU. Elenin will be over 21 times closer than it was during the Japanese earthquake on March 11th. Gravity is inversely proportional to the square of the distance, which means that gravity will be over 400 times greater than experienced during the Japanese earthquake. That's 400 times. And make a note, during that entire period, we will have a gravitational pull of over 100 times greater. And then November 3rd, the Earth enters the tail of Elenin, which is pulling asteroids and debris behind it. Presently, NASA is tracking an asteroid in the tail of Elenin for a near miss of the Earth on November 9th. And in the Bible, it mentions a great mountain burning with fire, cast into the sea, and then a second asteroid as a burning lamp, also falling into the sea. So here we have two asteroids